Adobe Photoshop Tools. Dodge Tool. The Dodge tool lightens pixels wherever you use it. So in other words, it's the perfect Photoshop tool to do away with tired eyes. Set the Dodge tool to a soft brush, go to range setting in the menu bars, pull down and choose highlights, set exposure on around 20%. Then carefully brush over the eye area. Remember not to overdo it, or your model will start to look like an alien. A few simple strokes should do the job. Blur tool. Sometimes all you need from Photoshop is to do away with some fine lines. That's where the blur tool comes in. This simple tool works wonders to remove small wrinkles by blurring them. Use the blur tool to smooth out small imperfections like the wrinkles around the eye or mouth area and simply blur them into the background. Again, be gentle and remember not to overdo it, or instead of improving your image, or you can end up spoiling it. Thanks for watching. We will be right back.